you know, to me that's intriguing. You know, a major chord, a minor, a diminished, and augmented, a sus4, a sus2. Why a sus chord has that, and a sus2 has this lucid, dreamlike, astral feel to it, you know,
take an analysis of the physics of sound on a very molecular level, on an infinitesimal level. When there's a force, this force creates an impact. Yes, impact creates energy, or emerges, energy emerges, and the force creates an impact and vibrates. Energy emerges and vibrates, and then it propagates at, let's say, around 700 plus miles an hour. While this sound travels, it has amplitude,